students, this is topic number 8, kidney stone. Due to certain metabolic disease, metabolic means chemical process disease. When urine become concentrated means that less amount of water present in the urine. In the crystal of mini, crystal means solid particle. Salts such as calcium oxalate and ammonium phosphate, uric acid, etc., are formed in it. Such large crystals cannot pass urine and form hard stone-like material called kidney stone or renal calculus. So renal calculus and kidney stone are formed due to the deposition of these crystals. So this is called kidney stone. Now, causes of the kidney stone. Most common metabolic disease causing stone formation are hypercalcemia. These are the two conditions. These are the two causes. Hypercalcemia. Hyper means above, calcemia means calcium. So maintaining high level of calcium ions in the blood. This is one reason. Another, hypo means hyper means above, oxaluria means oxalate salt. So maintaining a high level of oxalate in the blood. Calcium is found, these are the sources of calcium that where the calcium present. So calcium is found in fruits, green vegetables, milk, egg, almonds, while oxalate are present in tomato and green vegetables. Other causes of kidney stone include age is one of the factor, high dietary intake of salt and vitamins. So taking of high quantity of salt and vitamin D in the food or diet. Recurring of urinary tract infections. So recurring means repeating infection of urinary tract or urinary system. Urinary tract means urinary system. So urinary system means kidney, ureter, urinary bladder. This intake of water, alcohol consumption, so using alcohol. So these are the other causes of kidney stone. Symptoms: kidney stone cause obstruction in urinary tract. Obstruction means blocking. So it block the urinary tract. The other symptoms of kidney stone include severe pain in kidney or in lower abdomen. So lower abdomen means the last part of the abdominal cavity, stopping the release of urine from the kidney, vomiting, frequent urinations, and foul smelling urine with the blood and pus. So the urine when release, so it consists the composition of blood is urine and blood is also present. So these first the bad smell, foul smell means bad smell release from urine, and then these component also present. Blood is present and pus is present. So pus is basically the mixture of dead WBC, white blood cell, WBC. So pus is basically the infected liquid having a mixture of liquid having a WBC. So pus and blood is also released with the urine. The second disorder of kidney is a renal failure. Renal failure means complete or partial failure of kidney function. So when the kidney lost function, so this condition is called renal failure. When kidney fail to perform its function properly, this condition is called renal failure. Causes: long-term infection, diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus means high level of sugar in a blood. So this is the sugar disease, that large amount of sugar is present in the blood, and then finally this sugar is released with the urine. So this condition or this disease is called diabetes mellitus. Hypertension means high blood pressure. High blood pressure or high tense conditions. So these are the main causes of renal failure. Symptoms. The main symptom of kidney failure is the high level of urea and other waste in the blood, which can result in vomiting, nausea, frequent urinations, and hematuria, blood in urine. So these are the main symptoms. First, high level of urea and other waste product, for example, other waste product, salts, etc. Drugs, these waste products, used drugs, are also present in a high level in the blood. And then the sign and symptoms are vomiting, nausea, and frequent urination. Frequent means frequency, yani frequent means that large amount of urine release. So the frequency means that the interval time in the urination is short, so repeatedly the urination occur during daytime and during night time. And hematuria, the release of the blood with the urine, is called hematuria. And now the treatment is the kidney failure is treated with the dialysis and kidney transplant. So dialysis is basically the machine, the artificial machine remove waste products. So in dialysis, the artificial machine is inserted in the kidney, and then the waste product removed from the body. And kidney transplant, that the healthy kidney is donated from the donor person. So these are the two process for the treatment of a kidney failure. So this is all about the kidney disorders. So if you have any question, comment me, I will give answer. Thank you.